revolutionize your income. Play.ht's cutting-edge AI text-to-speech tool. Play.ht, the undisputed powerhouse of AI-driven text-to-speech technology, has taken the industry by storm with its unrivaled voice file generation, now available in both MP3 and WAV formats. And that's not all. Play.ht has recently unleashed a game-changing voice cloning feature, allowing users to tap into their unique vocal identity for text-to-speech conversions. Fueled by the robust Peregrine API and inspired by leading-edge language models like Dalle and GPT-2, Play.ht offers an enticing free trial plan for newcomers. But for those eager to unlock the full potential of voice cloning and access ample word credits, subscription options await. The free version serves as a gateway to a world of experimentation, enabling users to explore the tool's capabilities before diving into premium features. In a market teeming with contenders like SpeechGen.io, Koki, and Yepic Studio, Play.ht effortlessly stands out thanks to its advanced functionality and user-friendly interface. In the realm of AI-driven text-to-speech solutions, Play.ht emerges as the undisputed leader, delivering not just superior voice files, but also the exclusive ability to infuse one's voice, adding a personalized touch to every audio creation. Play.ht's ease of use, combined with the reliability of its API, ensures a seamless and efficient performance. Whether you're in the business of crafting voiceovers for videos, podcasts, or other audio content, Play.ht has your back. With its impressive feature set and compatibility with MP3 and WAV formats, it empowers you to effortlessly create professional-grade recordings. What truly sets Play.ht apart is its revolutionary voice cloning feature. This innovative capability allows users to record and integrate their own voices into the AI system, which then crafts text-to-speech with that distinct personal touch. This infusion of authenticity and humanity elevates audio content, making it more captivating and relatable to audiences. For potential Play.ht users, it's vital to note that while a free trial beckons, certain premium features and additional word credits may necessitate a subscription. Nevertheless, the free trial offers a delectable taste of the tool's potential, enabling you to explore a variety of voice options. In summation, Play.ht stands tall as the dominant force in the AI text-to-speech landscape, offering advanced capabilities and impeccable voice files. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or simply seeking to add a unique twist to your audio content, Play.ht is a game changer. Its intuitive interface and remarkable features ensure you can effortlessly create captivating and professional voiceovers, paving the way to handsome earnings.